it's time for a fresh edition of Weather for Weather Geeks Tuesday evening. It is the 28th day of September 2021, and what a day it turned out to be today. Yeah, we had a kind of cloudy and gloomy looking start. It was kind of warm and muggy this morning, but great weather this afternoon. Let's start out with a time-lapse video captured from our Youngstown camera here, looking to the southeast once again, and yeah, clouds for a time, but right on schedule. Midday into the afternoon, the clouds started to thin out, and once the clouds completely thinned, I mean, it was bright and sunny and severe, clear conditions late this afternoon and early this evening. Clouds decreased. The dew points decreased this afternoon. It was kind of muggy this morning, but as of this recording, dew points are falling into the upper 40s. The numbers today at the Youngstown Warren Airport in Vienna: 72 at 1:38 this afternoon, just a little above the average of 70. The record high today, 88, 1959. Another cold, frosty morning in 1991 on today's date. It got down to 29. But this morning, 63 was our overnight low. That might be one of the warmest overnight lows we have for the foreseeable future. Maybe until next spring. So it was a beautiful afternoon locally, 74 in Cleveland, 74 in Pittsburgh today, and a little bit of a lake breeze kept Erie, PA in the 60s. Look at the warmth across the middle of the country compared to the average today. Omaha, 19 degrees warmer than average. Minneapolis, 13 warmer than average. Some parts of the Dakotas were over 20 degrees above the average today. And temperatures as of 7 p.m., Omaha and Phoenix equal at 91 degrees. In fact, 90s extend all the way up to the U.S.-Canadian border here in late September. Very toasty stuff for this time of the year. We're not going to see temperatures like that anytime real soon around here. National radar and satellite. A few showers and thunderstorms across the spine of the Rocky Mountain states, and some wet weather in Texas and parts of the Gulf Coast. A couple of showers have been impacting the eastern seaboard today, and it's wet in the higher elevations, some snow in the Pacific Northwest. Our weather will be quiet for the next few days as high pressure builds in. I mean, just a spectacular day Wednesday. Might be a few patches of fog here and there first thing. Don't think it'll be widespread or much of an issue, but just a great day overall. And Thursday's a winner. A few more fair weather clouds on Thursday when compared to Wednesday. Wednesday pretty much just bright and sunny all day. And then on Friday, again, few fair weather clouds. That's about it. Just another fantastic day, and it should be a nice evening for high school football Friday evening. Now, our forecast remains a dry one for the start of the weekend on Saturday. We have had to insert the chance for showers, though, on Sunday, unfortunately, and this includes for the PANERATHON, kicking off in downtown Youngstown at 10 a.m. I'll be running the 10K race as part of Team Peacock on Sunday morning. And yeah, we've inserted that chance for showers into our forecast. Clouds will dominate. Temperatures will be about what you would expect in early October. Usually the PANERATHON, of course, traditionally has been in late August. Last year we didn't have a race. This year it was moved to early October. So it's going to be a cooler PANERATHON than most of the more recent PANERATHONs, which of course are at a warmer time of the year. Why have we inserted the chance for showers Sunday? And actually, we have a chance for showers into early next week now as well. The pattern's going to get a little bit blocked up, it looks like, as we go towards the weekend. A little bit of a cutoff low meandering across the Midwest, and a stronger low over Atlantic Canada is actually going to start migrating and backing westward, it looks like, as we go into the first part of next week. If this transpires, with this cutoff low kind of stuck underneath a ridge of high pressure off to the north, this may give us a few inclement days early next week with a few chances for showers, and temperatures may struggle a bit during the first half of next week. Now, this has been a fairly recent development on the modeling. We'll see if the trend continues for the next couple of days, but at the very least, we have had to insert a chance for some wet weather into Sunday and early next week. All right, as we transition into October, late this week and into the weekend, we'll be talking more and more, of course, about fall colors. Right now, things are pretty patchy, as you would expect at the end of September. You find some higher colors, of course, as you head over towards northern PA, into far southern New York as well, up into the Adirondacks and the Catskills, the mountainous areas in New England. But things are going to progress pretty fast as we go into October, and given how dry it's been in general of late, I think that's a pretty good sign for some pretty decent fall foliage this year. We had a wet August, pretty dry September. That might be a pretty good recipe for a pretty good show this year. Typically in our immediate area, in our television viewing area, the peak colors occur sometime between October 15th and about the 25th, 26th. I'm expecting that to be the case again. This year, the peak probably sometime in that 10-day time frame. Will be well past peak by then. up towards Buffalo and into Binghamton, New York, and parts of New England. But around here, the colors, again, probably reaching their peak right around the 15th to the 25th. We'll have more updates on fall color as we get into the month of October. We'll do an October forecast later this week on Weather for Weather Geeks. In the meantime, thanks for watching tonight, and have a great rest of your Tuesday.